latest updates, subscribe to News9.
A Japanese bulk carrier has leaked hundreds of tons of fuel oil off the Mauritius coast. India has sent equipment and personnel to help Mauritius contain the oil spill. More than 30 tons of technical equipment and material on board an aircraft of IAF has been sent to Mauritius. India dispatched a 10-member technical response team consisting of Indian Coast Guard personnel. The team is specially trained to deal with oil spill containment measures. The specialized equipment consisting of ocean booms, river booms, disc skimmers, heli skimmers, power packs, blowers, salvage barge and oil absorbent graphene pads and other accessories is specifically designed to contain the oil slick, skim oil from water and assist in cleanup and salvage operations. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar tweeted that a response team has been sent to Mauritius. Sagar policy at work to assist Mauritius in its ongoing oil spill containment and salvage operations. An IAF aircraft has just landed in Port Louis with 30 T of specialized equipment along with a 10-member technical response team from Indian Coast Guard. The decision to extend assistance is in line with India's policy of extending humanitarian assistance and disaster relief to its neighbors. The assistance is guided by Prime Minister's vision of Sagar, security and growth for all in the region. The Ministry of External Affairs said that the government of Mauritius had requested assistance in dealing with the environmental crisis due to oil spill. MEA said the urgent assistance reflects the close bond of friendship between India and Mauritius. India had sent a special consignment of Ayurvedic medicines to Mauritius in its fight against COVID-19. Japanese bulk carrier MV Wakashio that has leaked tons of oil has broken apart. The MV Wakashio ran aground on a coral reef on 25th July with 4,000 tons of the fuel. Most of the fuel had already pumped out. But officials said the condition has worsened after the carrier broke into two parts. A massive cleanup operation involving thousands of local volunteers is underway. But a crack inside the hull of the ship expanded earlier this week. Earlier this week, 1,180 metric tons of oil had leaked from the vessel's fuel tank. About 90 tons of the fuel was believed to be still on board when the vessel split. Mauritian Prime Minister Pravind Jugnauth said more than 3,000 of the 4,000 tons of oil from the ship's fuel reservoirs had been pumped out. The Mauritian PM also declared a state of environmental emergency. Officials said that booms had been reinforced near the vessel to absorb any more oil that leaked out. The Mauritius government has now activated its National Oil Spill Contingency Plan. The spill is close to two environmentally protected marine ecosystems and the Blue Bay Marine Park Reserve. Mauritius is home to world-renowned coral reefs and popular with tourists. The oil spill has also caused a major threat to aquatic habitat.